Good evening, friends. This is Tax Litigation Advocate Sriman Narayan Amrila. Today I am bringing to one information in front of you. I am talking about just 2-3 minutes video. I am talking about cap lien and section 51 regarding to advance money received and forfeited before 1/4/2014 what will happen, after 1/4/2014 any advances forfeited what will happen. So what I am telling you here, in case of any advance money if you forfeited, if the advance money was forfeited before 1/4/2014 means that will be deducted from the cost of acquisition according to section 51. In case the money was forfeited on or after 1/4/2014 means the money will be taxable under the income from other sources. The section name is 56 subsection 2 clause 9. 56 subsection 2 clause 9 says that any advance money forfeited with respect to cap lesser, that money will be taxable under the income from other sources under section 56 subsection 2 clause 9. So like this, short videos I'll come and every day I'll present for the society at large and for the stakeholders. Thank you and all. Thank you very much.